Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to Enrol YouTube channel. My name is Savita and I'm here to introduce one more a brand new course on Enrol platform, that is LLM Ops end-to-end project. Yes. So guys, in this particular course, we'll discuss 7 end-to-end project using LLM Ops. If you don't know about the LLM Ops, guys, so LLM means large language model and Ops means the complete deployment pipeline. So first of all, let me tell you that what all project we are going to be complete in this particular course, and then step by step, one by one, I will come to the process as well. Process of completing the project. So in this particular course, we'll discuss about the MCQ generation, how you can generate the MCQ. Then we'll discuss about the information retrieval. We'll discuss about the various bot like educational bot, Zomato bot, so that you can understand the process of bot creation, and later on you can integrate with the website as well. So guys, let me tell you the complete process of the project building which we are going to be follow in this particular course. So first we'll understand from the data ingestion, how we can ingest the data from the various resources for the specific project. Then we'll see basically how we can decide the model and how we can decide the database and the other framework like Langchain and Llama Index. Then after the project building, guys, we'll see the complete deployment pipeline with the various cloud like GCP, Azure and AWS. And guys, here we'll see the complete CI/CD pipeline also, that how you can build the project and how you can deploy it. And after the deployment, monitoring and maintenance plays a very important role. So definitely we're gonna discuss each and everything in a live classes itself. So guys, we have started the batch from 25th May onwards, and the timing is going to be from 7 to 10 p.m. IST. If you want to get a more detail, please check out with the Eneuron website, and we have given you the link inside the description also. Thank you.